Hi students, welcome back. So now we are towards the final stages of our training program, and now we are going to have our final project, and that is home automation system. Here we have a problem statement where we are going to design an Arduino based home automation where we have first of all the controlling of appliances to provide security to your home. That includes burglar detection. We are also going to have some other features in our home like water level monitoring, and we are going to automate some of the appliances like street light and all. So when we look at the complete picture, we are going to have our central microcontroller, that is Arduino Uno R3. We are going to attach some sensors and we are going to have some indicators and actuators. So for each statement, what are these? Let us see. The first thing that we have is a temperature controlled fan. In that we are going to sense the temperature from LM35. If the temperature is above certain threshold, we will switch on the cooling mechanism, which can be a fan in this case. And if the temperature is below certain threshold, we can switch off the cooling mechanism. We can keep on displaying the real-time temperature on an LCD. That is an optional thing, but good if you keep on displaying that. Second thing, we have automated outdoor lighting. So based on whether it is dark or bright outside, you can switch on the external street light or the outdoor lights of your home. Then we have the burglar alarm. So PIR sensor is going to detect any movement outside the home, and it is going to switch on the lights and give some alarm with the help of a buzzer. And then we have water level control, where we are going to put one ultrasonic sensor on the overhead tank, and if the level of water goes below certain level, we can switch on the pump, and if it is full, then we can sound an alarm and switch off the pump. So let us look at the detail of each module. First of all, in the temperature controlled fan, we have to automate the cooling system for a room or a portion of the home. We are going to display the real-time temperature on the LCD and use LM35 to detect the temperature. Here, your specifications are, if the temperature goes above 28, you have to start the cooling mechanism, and if it goes below 23, you have to switch off the cooling mechanism. So in your coding, you have to take care of these two temperature ranges when you design your temperature controlled fan. The second thing that we have is outdoor lighting. Automation will require some sensor, so you can use LDR or ambient light sensor, anyone is fine. This is very similar to the smart street light project that we had earlier, and if you want to control your indoor lightings as well, then we can design it using IR remote based control. Okay, so that is an optional thing in your complete home automation project. The third feature that we have is burglar alarm. We are going to automate the security of our home entrance, and we should take care that we are not giving any false alarm. We should also have a button to reset the alarm once we see that okay, something is detected, the alarm is on, but it is on for a long time and we want to switch it off. There should be a button to reset it. And some of the lights should be on as soon as we detect some movements. Next thing that we have is water level monitoring. This is also very similar to the project that we have already done. Additional thing that you can do is add one manual switch on or switch off button in the motor or water pump. Manual mode will override the automated control. So if the sensor is saying that the pump should be on or pump should be off, we can have one manual switch which will override the decisions made by your controller. So now students, the doors are open for you. Gather all the knowledge that you have gained throughout these 6 weeks and assemble them in one mega project to complete your learning. Keep learning. Thank you.